I finally arrived. The city was very chaotic. Oh my goodness, that wolf is eating all my ships. Interesting. You are going to die here without paying anything. What that is this? I need someone to watch over my ships. But you need to tell me up, that's why I'm out. After the presses that were key, here's a first surprise. A piano? How does it play? Oh, why do you got to press the right button? Ow! Hey dog, what a bond? Yes, I already got a bond. Little did he know that there was dynamite inside the bond. What tell for the dog? The bond is going to explode the 3, 2, 1. I wanted but that. One cemetery project? There you have it. The ship's projected. The ship is there. What's the password?